Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to open Device Manager in Windows 11 easily. Device Manager lets you view and manage all the hardware connected to your computer such as keyboard, mouse, display, adapter, network adapter and more. So let's get started. So firstly, method 1, using the start menu, click on the start button. Here you will search for Device Manager, tap to open it. I will see the device manager will be open successfully. Method 2, using the power user menu, right click on the start button. Here you will see all the services. Here you will click on device manager from the menu and the device manager will open successfully. Method 3, using run command, press the Windows plus R on your keyboard. Here you will search for dev mgmt.msc, then press on enter. Device manager will open immediately. That's it. From there you can update driver, delete driver or add new drivers for your Windows. That's it. That's how you can open device manager in Windows 11 using 3 simple methods. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.